SAP Project Cockpit is the next generation app designed to make your life as a project manager easier. Easily navigate the user interface to find and resolve issues before they become problems. You only see what's important to your work as a project manager. Create to-dos quickly and efficiently. Assign team members and set deadlines. Monitor the project timeline, including critical milestones and tasks. Access all project-related files from anywhere. Make informed decisions based on customer-related information, as well as standard status indicators such as progress, costs, revenue, or the mood of your project team. In the team overview, the red border shows that there is something up with some of your team members. Tap the picture to show what's going on. On the details screen, you can see more information about all tasks and to-dos assigned to this team member, as well as any upcoming meetings. A project task is overdue. Tap the task to see who is assigned and how the work is progressing. Don't know what to do about it? Drag the overdue task to the Smart Action icon. SAP Project Cockpit immediately offers you context-specific solutions. Choose the action that is most appropriate for you. The built-in templates for meetings, emails, and to-dos make it easy to collaborate with your team. SAP Project Cockpit, your answer to project management.